Hey, Hey, sorry, reverse my words. Hey guys, how are you? Today, we're not gonna be looking at your entrance slips. We're actually gonna go right into your classwork that's for today. So go into that blue packet. All right. There are 2 pages of your lesson 13. We talked about this in class yesterday. We're on the one that has the lines that are on it there. All right. So let's jump on in. We're going to do a few of these together, and then we're going to set you free on the other ones there. The great thing about this is to check your answers. You can just reach for a calculator, type in the division problem, and see if you got the correct answer that's there. So, like we said, lesson number 13, classwork. Go and open on up, and let's get started here. Let's try problem number 1 together. We've got 525, and we are dividing it by 3. Okay, so remember, because we are dividing by 3, 3 is what's going to go on the outside, and we're trying to figure out how many groups we can take out of 525. So we start with that first digit, and look at the 5. How many groups of 3 can you take out of 5? 1. So the groups always go up on top. Now it's always the multiplication problem, the subtraction problem. They bring down the next number. All right, and that's that routine that's there. Groups up there, multiply, subtract, bring down the next number. Repeat the process. How many groups of 3 can we take out of 22? Remember, we gotta get as close as we can without going over. So I can't say like 5. Okay, 3 times 5 is 15. That comes under, but there's more that we can take out. We can take out as many as 7 groups. So we'll multiply. All right, we'll go ahead and subtract, and then we'll bring down the next number. And we smile, because how many groups of 3 can you take out of 15? Exactly 5. Yeah, 3 times 5 is 15. No remainder, no one else to bring down. Show's over. There's a winning answer. Again, for today, and only for today, you're going to get all whole numbers for answers. If you get a remainder, something has gone wrong. All right, so let's drop down below to question 3. Let's drop down below to question number 3. Here, we've got 3,875, and we are dividing it by 5. Okay, so setup wise, that 5 is going to go on the outside, and we're trying to pull out groups of 3,875. All right, in this particular situation, I can't take any groups of 5 out of a 3. Now, there's 2 ways of going about this. When it's your first number, you can actually just jump and use the first 2 numbers that are there and work with the 38. That's fine. I'm going to keep it consistent with everyone there and just say, hey, I can't take any groups out. I'll put my 0 up there. I'm going to multiply. I'm going to subtract. And I'm going to bring down my next number. And here's what I want you to notice. Who's there? It's 38. 38, just like we had right at the very beginning. So again, it is going to work out. It's just depending on what you end up seeing better. So you take 7 groups out. 7 times 5 is 35. Subtract and get your 3. Bring down your 7. How many groups of 5 can we take out of 37? We can take 8. No, 40. That's too much. 7, 30. Yes, yep, there it is. 7 times 5 is 35. Right underneath it there. So there's a 2. Bring down the next number. Then we smile, because how many groups of 3? A 5 can you take out of 25? Yeah, we can take exactly 5 of them out. We're done. All right. Again, I could go ahead and finish like we had said here. Again, once you recognize that it's going to work out and you're done, show's over, that's okay. Do something. The main thing is that 775 is up there. All right. So you've got 2 pages there. All right. There's 4 problems on each page. We've already done 2 of them there. All right. So that leaves you with just 4 more questions to take care of. I did talk about showing you a different technique. I'm going to hold off on that right now. I just don't think because I don't see you in class, it's not worthwhile to talk about right now. So we're going to hold off on that, and we're going to stick with this particular one. Like I said, I think it's a worthwhile one to jump in on, but we'll pause on that. All right, sound good? All right, guys, enjoy.